Hello good day friends, welcome. To this video I'm here to show you all these mining websites where we'll be earning and stacking USDT on Polygon network. So this is how the mining website actually looks like once you click on it. But in order for you to navigate this platform thoroughly, what you are going to need is going to be Trust Wallet. Now for you to use Trust Wallet, please make sure, let me just show you guys the full startup process. Once you go to your Trust Wallet, right now this is an official warning. If you want to make use of this, please make sure you create a new wallet in your Trust Wallet. Don't use the Trust Wallet that you have funds in it. You know, as far as it comes to do with Trust Wallet, you can create different wallets. So create a new one and then you click on manage crypto and then you look for Polygon Matic and you enable it. Now after you enable it, you go to discover and then you copy that you are going to see a link in the pinned comments of this video. You copy it and paste it in Discover. You're going to see an arrow pointing down at it. Once you paste it to Discover, this site is going to appear. So once it appears like this, what you are going to do is that you need to connect this your Trust Wallet to this website. Now for you to connect this your Trust Wallet, you are going to need just a token which is less than $1, right? So what you need to do is to fund your wallet with what? Polygon. You understand? You can just go and buy Polygon in any exchange, right? Just fund your wallet with enough Polygon. Now after you are done funding your wallet, if you have any question, please ask me in the comment section. After you are done funding your wallet with Polygon, it's going to allow you to gain access to this website. After that, you click on Reward Center. Reward Center, there's an arrow pointing down at it. So once you click on Reward Center, you are going to see different VIP level. Now the one that I'm earning about 1.6 USDT daily is the VIP 1 level. Now for VIP 1 level is around 8 USDT. So let me show you guys how it works. If I go down to home, right, I'm going to just scroll down. Now you are earning every 24 hours, right? If I scroll down here, you are going to see this side looks like. So you are going to just come here. If you scroll down here, this is 8 USDT. So whatever amount that you are starting up with, it is going to be your interest per day. That's after 24 hours. You can see 1.60 USDT. So you can just come here. So this platform, with the look of things, is going to last for a very long time. So if you start with 80 USDT, so you are going to be earning whatsoever amounts that you are mining with regularly on a daily basis. So remember I said, in order for you to activate this mining, all you need to do is to just go buy Polygon. You understand? Let me go back so you can see what Polygon looks like. I'm going back to my home on Trust Wallet. This is how Polygon looks like. You can see Polygon is currently less than $1. It is just what? 0.1 cent. So all you just need to do in order for you to generate this, let me just show you guys my history so you can see. In order for me to generate this transaction, in order for me to start mine, you can see I just needed 0.1 cent. So that 0.1 cent is for you to be able to connect your Trust Wallet to this website. So after you've connected it, it is now left for you to choose the VIP level that you are going for. Remember, I can say your VIP level is at your own choice. Just scroll down here, impute any amount. So for me, what I started for this video is 8 USDT. So with 8 USDT, I'm earning 1.60 USDT on a daily basis. That's after 24 hours. Now after you connect your wallet, right, and then you fund your account, what you need to do is to come here and click on start mining. So once you click on start mining, this mining, you don't need to do it every day. It will just be mining automatically as far as the platform exists. So as it's mining, all you need to do is to come here and click on me. So what you have done is that you have connected this your Polygon Matic to this website. So let me place withdraw. I click on withdraw right now. I tap on all, I tap on confirm. So I tap on USDT here, I tap on confirm. So once I tap on confirm, you are seeing my withdrawal is successful, right? You see my withdrawal is successful. So let me just go back to my wallet. So let's confirm it. So as you guys can see, my withdrawal is actually successful, right? If I come here and click on home, you are going to see it has been withdrawn. So what you need to do is to go back to your Trust Wallet. So once you come back to your Trust Wallet, you will see this is my withdrawal actually, my 1.6 USDT. Now the USDT is coming to Polygon network. So everything that you are doing here is on Polygon. Are you clear now? It is on Polygon. Your withdrawal Polygon, your deposit Polygon, your recharge, everything is USDT Polygon. Are you clear now? Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment section of this video.